Hi guys, good morning. This is Rohit. Hope you are all are in home, as it's been a long time for at least 23 days of home quarantine. Please be at home. Please be safe. I hope your family member, your bike, all are in good shape. All are in home. So keep maintaining your bike. Please be at home. Thank you so much. This is a little message from my side. After the lockdown period, we will be rock and roll on the road. Thank you so much, guys. Miss you all, and we will hope that we will catch up as soon as possible.
Hello, I'm Vic from Woolton, and today we're going to look at all the essential stowing away maintenance of your riding gear during the lockdown period. So as we know, it's the country's been affected by coronavirus, and we don't know when this lockdown period is going to get over safely. So what we do is keep our hopes high and store away all our essential articles, so that when it's again time to ride, we can safely take them out and put them on and then start riding. So out here I have my gear. As you can see, this is some of my gear, and that's what I use during my ride. So I have my basic riding jacket, which is a mesh jacket, and I have two set of gloves for the summer riding and the winter riding. I use the leather ones for the winter riding because they have more protection against winds. And I have since I ride my Himalayan, so I have my rear top box, which is very useful to store stuffs. And I also have some bungees and my rain boot cover, and these are the layers for my jacket. So I have currently removed them because I don't need them during the summer, and I'm going to store them away. I have my basic leg guard. I have my ever essential tank bag, and this is my waist pouch where I carry my essentials, my wallets, my phone, and of course for the long rides I use the saddlebags. I also have an assortment of other stuffs like bandanas. I use the bandanas as pollution deterrents. Okay, I have two bladders which require essential caretaking, otherwise they get all mucky inside and you cannot use them later on. And also a bunch of electricals which we use during our trip, and the helmets, of course. So that is my helmet which I use on long rides and when I'm hitting the highway. And this is my regular use half face helmet because it gets hot here, so riding can be a pain. So I'm going to show you how to clean the helmets and also how to store away all this stuff, and how basically what we do. There are many different ways to do stuff.
I'm सोमनाथ.
Hi, I am Trisha.
तो आज हम लोग बताएंगे कि राइडिंग गियर को कैसे हम लोग यूज करें या साफ करें. तो ये है जैकेट. इसको ये हालांकि नॉर्मली ये इसका जो फैब्रिक है, फैब्रिक को हम यूजुअली साबुन और पानी से धोएंगे पूरा ही. इसके बीच में कुछ चीज़ है, तो आप चाहे तो इससे बाहर भी कर सकते हैं, और नहीं तो इस पे रख के भी अगर चाहे तो वॉश कर सकते हैं. ये हो गया जैकेट. और ये है पैंट. पैंट भी सेम है. इसका भी फैब्रिक जो है पूरी वॉशेबल है. इस पे जो इनर्स है, इनर्स को आप चाहे तो आउट कर सकते हैं या तो नहीं. आप नॉर्मली इसको कर सकते हैं. अगर ज़्यादा कुछ लग जाए माड़ या कुछ, उसको आप नॉर्मल ब्रश से वॉश करके धो सकते हैं. और ये है इसका पैंट का इनर लाइनर है. ये नॉर्मली इसका फैब्रिक है प्लास्टिक जैसा. इसको भी आप नॉर्मल पानी और साबुन से वॉश करेंगे. ये बूट है, इसको हटा देता हूँ. ये बूट है. इस बूट को आप सेम चीज़ है इसको भी अब अगर ज़्यादा कोई स्टेन लग जाए तो आप नॉर्मली इसको कर देंगे वॉश। इस पे हम लोग को ये करना पड़ेगा कि इसके अंदर कैसे भी करके पानी ना जाए, क्योंकि ये अंदर में जो फैब्रिक है, ये फैब्रिक में पानी अगर बैठ जाएगा तो इसको सुखाने में अपना बहुत टाइम जाएगा। तो इसको ऐसे करके हम लोग करेंगे सर। ये है सैडल बैग, इसको हम लोग अच्छे से खोलेंगे। अंदर का जितना भी इधर का उधर का जितना भी सामान है उसको अच्छे से चेकिंग करेंगे। अगर कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स या पैन कार्ड या कुछ अगर रहेगा तो वो जब धोएंगे उस टाइम में वो खराब हो सकता है। तो उसके लिए हम लोग इसको देख के नॉर्मली इसको साफ करेंगे। कोई भी गियर, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, कोई भी गियर वॉशिंग मशीन में वॉश ना करें, ये हाथ से वॉश करेंगे तो बढ़िया रहेगा। ये नॉर्मली ऐसे ही हम लोग करेंगे साफ। और ये है टैंक बैग। टैंक बैग को भी सेम चीज़ है, सेम टाइप का है फैब्रिक। इसको भी हम लोग अच्छे से चेक करके फिर इसको धोएंगे। नॉर्मली कोई भी गियर पे गर्म पानी ना दे, नॉर्मल ठंडा पानी से वॉश करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। ये है अपना हाइड्रेशन पैक। हाइड्रेशन पैक को इसको खोल के अंदर में जो ब्लाडर है, ब्लाडर को हम लोग पहले बाहर करेंगे। इसको ये जैसा देख रहे हैं ब्लाडर है अंदर में, इसको अच्छे से बाहर करेंगे। ये बाहर करने के बाद ही हम लोग इसको नॉर्मली ऊपर का कवर को करेंगे वॉश। और ब्लाडर को अच्छे से खोल के इसका अंदर में जो पानी होता है, पानी को सुखा के फिर अपना जैसे स्टोर करते हैं वैसे करेंगे स्टोर। ओके, बाय गाइस, बाय।
First things first. So the riding jacket. So normally after a ride, I normally come home and wash my riding jacket. And so right now my riding jacket is all washed. I've removed the inner linings, okay, and stored them away separately. So what I can do right now is I can unzip it and I can put it in the sun so that it'll get some natural UV, which will prevent the buildup of fungus or bacterial contaminants. Hence, my jacket will be fresh. So I just hook it up in my balcony or wherever there is some sun percolating. And about the other gears, my gloves, I normally give them a wipe down after every ride. If they get dirty, I wash them, but normally I just give them a wipe down with some alcohol-based sanitizer and some refreshing wipes. So I have already washed my gloves. I was using the summer gloves for the ride, and my winter gloves are already washed. So what I'll do is I'll store them in some bag. As for my other gears, the boot cover I have not yet used that much, so it is pretty much fine. And the other things like the jacket liners, I will store them away in my top box so that I can use them on the ride if it starts raining. As for my leg guard, I do the same thing after every ride, because when we ride, you normally see in the highway there will be a lot of bugs sticking all over the leg guard. So what I prefer to do is I come home and I take one of these wipes and I give them a nice wipe. So I give them a good wipe down inside, both inside and outside, and let them dry for some time in the sun. So while the leg guards are drying, let's store away the other stuff. So I have my top box over here, and inside my top box I normally keep a towel for the ride and some cloth to wipe down, and also I'm keeping my rain liner because I might use it in the event of a ride. And I have my essentials, like I carry around a lot of plastics, some plastics to store away stuff and recycle, and also some bungees, some extra bungees. So I'm just stowing away the bungees, make them compact and put them inside a bag. So I have my bag and I'm just stowing them away inside. So that's it. Now my top box is ready. So my leg guards are dry, nice. So what I do is normally I put one inside the other and just store them away in my original cover. So I have the cover preserved and I just put it away inside my cover. So that way it is fresh and ready for the next ride. So normally my luggages also get the same treatment. Like once I'm back from a ride, if they are dirty, I give them a good wash. Otherwise I give them a wipe down with a nice wet cloth. So all my after the major ride, all my luggages have been wiped. So right now they are all clean. So I'm going to just store them away properly. These are bananas or face buffs as we normally know them. So what I do is after every ride I give them a wash, nice wash. I dry them, sun dry them, and they are all nicely kept here. So right now I have washed them and I've kept them, storing them for use in the ride later on. As for my electronics, so I have my action cam here. So I've removed the battery. So I've kept the battery stored away separately, and all the cables are nicely tucked in so I don't lose anything, and during the next ride I can always find them back. There's my bolt charger. I've removed the bolt charger, and I'm also disconnecting the cable and my Bluetooth devices, which I have kept nicely, and all the other attachments which I might lose. So I've kept them all properly in one bag. So when it's time to ride again, I just take out my bag and take out my gear and I'm ready to go. One of the really important gear of the ride is my bladder, the water bladder, which I use to drink water on the highway. It is a very essential part of the ride so that we don't get dehydrated, especially in a hot country like ours. When we are riding hours on the highway, we always need to sip some water. But the maintenance is very important. So what I do after every ride is I always open up the main opening and also the pipe, and I give them a good wash of water. Normally we should not put anything except water in it, otherwise there'll be a lot of muck and fungus growing inside and we cannot use it again, and we might fall sick if we drink the water from that. And the nozzle also, so wash the nozzle properly, and we'll put this for sun dry for at least 48 hours, and when it's nicely thoroughly dried we always store it with the cap open, and this is fresh for the next ride. So in the next ride we just rinse it with water and we can pour our water and start using this. Another important part is the helmets. So here are my two helmets, the one I use for touring purposes and one I use for daily purposes. And what I usually do to clean them is I have got this from Amazon. It's called Maxol, and it's, as you can see, it's a helmet antibacterial spray. So I just spray it inside the foam, and then I let it sit, and this prevents foul odor. Also I give a good wipe to the shell with my wet wipes, but for the visor I do not use the wet wipes as they fog up the visor, they might scratch it. So use a normal tissue paper, a very dry tissue paper, and after that a rub down with the microfiber cloth. So let's see how it is done. So first and foremost I use my Maxol spray. I just shake it up and I spray it inside, as you can see, and I keep it as such, let it dry. In the meanwhile I will take my wet wipe and I'll wipe the shell of the helmet, but not the visor. So I'm wiping the shell of the helmet to get rid of all dirt, grease, whatever is stuck to the helmet. I'm using the dry tissue paper for the visor. So I give a good rub down to the visor, and also I have my goggles here, so I'm wiping the goggles. And finally I use my microfiber cloth just to wipe it. And your helmet is as good as new.